Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Color Tunes with Sampada and Purvi. So to paint a mask for Halloween, I've taken a plastic mask here. I'm applying white acrylic paint. So you can take any mask of your choice. I'm using acrylic paint because it's easy to apply and the colors don't fade away easily. Moreover, acrylic paint once dried is resistant to water to some extent. I'll let this dry and now I'll apply the second coat. I'll leave the space around the eyes as I'll paint this area with the other color. I'll continue the same with the third layer. You can decide the number of layers you want to apply as it's not compulsory to make 3 layers. We'll now paint the dark circles with black. Just be careful while you do this. If you're not sure doing it directly, you can first draw the outlines and then paint. I've mentioned all the materials used in the description box so you can have a look. I'll repeat the same with the right eye as well. It's time to give her some brows. I'm using black again. So use a thin brush for this. So in the very same way, I'll do the right brow. Now, again using black paint, I'm directly drawing lines from the eye. So just simple strokes like these. Now, we'll join these lines with smaller curved lines. So this will give it the web effect. Now we're almost done with the cobweb. Now I'm using red for the lips. I'll draw a curved line from the mid of her lips. Now, I'll make these small lines to give the stitch effect. Okay, now that's red again. It's a blood drop from the eye. Many people make this mistake of keeping the mask straight or vertical and dropping the paint from the eye. Don't do that as you don't have control over the paint. That's black for the nose. I've used artificial flowers over here. You may make paper flowers or satin flowers to stick there. So you can arrange these flowers in the way you like. Now I'm using yellow acrylic paint over there. And that's green over there. I'll add some leaves and some other elements. I've added leaves over there, so you can add some other elements as you wish. So you can try out different types of masks. Now that's red over there. Now, using a toothbrush, I'll sprinkle some red color. I'm painting black around the eyes as I don't want red sprinkle over there. That's it. So when are you making your customized mask for Halloween? Please like, share and subscribe if you liked our video. Thanks for watching.